Hi, welcome to this video. To use Gmail confidential mode, set an expiration date, choose a passcode type, and click send. This blocks recipients from forwarding, copying, printing, or downloading your message. Now, click compose at the top left, right? Make sure to fill out all the details, who you're sending to, the subject, and of course, the cover letter or whatever, right? And before hitting send, you're gonna see the lock icon with a clock, and you can just go ahead and turn it on and set the expiration date in 1 week or 1 month, whatever, right? And then hit save, right? And you can control if all passcodes will be generated by Google or SMS passcode or SMS passcode. You can hit save and then hit or tap send. Consider liking this video, subscribing, really helps with the channel. Till next time, see you.